Okay, so today's video, I'm going to spend probably another hour getting this bumper ready. I haven't received the paint yet, but I got to finish sand it, and I find a couple of just a couple of stone chips on the front of it. I figured, shit, I'm right here. I'm sanding it anyway. Might as well fix the stone chips. So this is going to be a how to fill stone chips in your car part before you paint it. Let me zoom in on one so you guys can see what I'm trying to fix or kind of chase away. So let me see if I can get this on camera. So right there. Hopefully that's coming through. It's just get a little stone chip there, right? Now you have to be a little careful. Like these are not stone chips. Those are little indentations that are in the bumper from factory. So you don't really want to fill those. I mean, you could. I believe they're for the front license plate or something. But yeah, if you look here, this has got a little road rash on it. So hopefully that's coming through there. You can see it. I mean, it's not bad, but I'm never going to be closer to fixing this as well, so you might as well. The bumper's already all tore apart, so that's all I'm going to do today is just give this thing a sanding, like a finish sanding, get it pretty close to being ready, and then put some glazing putty. I'll show you this is the glazing putty I use. It's 3Ms or stage 3 Bondo glazing and spot putty. This is, you don't need to harden or anything for this. You just kind of squeeze the tube a little bit and then mix it around and fill it. And it's just like a little spot repair. So that's what that looks like. You know, it's like 20 minutes worth of work. Just filling in little stone chips and stuff, and they're so minute you can barely see them. I mean, you probably saw me trying to find them there. I would say about at least half a dozen of those I probably didn't even need to fill. I could have hit them with some high build primer and they would have disappeared, but you're already doing it, so you might as well just fill them, right? No big deal. I'll show you what this looks like now. Looks like it's got a dose of the mange. But yeah, I'll come back out here in probably, I don't know, an hour or two. I'm in no hurry. And we'll just take these one by one and sand everything back smooth again. And then I'll give it a final 600 grit dry sand. And then it's ready for paint at that point. You know, I'll obviously prep all it and stuff before I spray it. But yeah, that's for this car, so the Hyundai, right? So yeah, if you're painting your front bumper, this is kind of what it's going to look like when you're going through the process. Pretty much on any car, unless you strip it back completely and then see if the plastic's damaged. But that'd be crazy amount of work. Yeah, the best thing to do is just do that glaze and putty on it.